And on behalf of Sancheti College and PhysioTV, I welcome you all to the semi-finals of PhysioTV Quiz 2021. So we started with 9 teams from all over India, and today we have 4 of those competing today. So I once again congratulate all the teams who made it to semi-finals and wish you all a good luck and hope the best team wins. I now request Dr. Farheen Patel, who is the quiz master for today, to take the session ahead.
A warm welcome to you all. Congratulations to the 4 teams that have made to the semi-finals. I, Dr. Farheen Patel, welcome you all. The 4 participating teams for our 4th episode, that is our semi-finals, are Team A is Dr. D.Y. Patil College of Physiotherapy, Pimpri, Pune. Team B, Banarsi Das Chandiwala Institute of Physiotherapy, New Delhi. Team C is Sancheti Institute College of Physiotherapy, Pune. And Team D is College of Physiotherapy, Christian Medical College, Ludhiana. All the best all, and let's start with the quiz today. So we have 4 rounds today. Round 1 will be back to basics. Round 2 is the Mathemagician, Magician, and 3 is AV round. 4 is Find the Researcher in You. Are we ready? Team A, kindly on your audio.
Hello. Can you hear us?
The rules for the for this particular round are: each team receives 2 questions. You have 15 seconds to answer each question. Only one team will answer at a time. Others will be on mute. Correct answer indicates full marks, and incorrect response or time's up will be 0. The questions will not be passed to the next team. Team A, are we ready?
Yes.
The mechanical work done by a muscle during which type of contraction is called as negative work? Your time starts now.
Eccentric बोल देते हैं. Eccentric.
Very good. That's the right answer. You score 1 point. Second question is, the angle of inclination of femur in adults is?
135.
I'm sorry, can you please repeat?
135.
I'm sorry, that's the wrong answer. The correct answer is 125 degrees.
Okay.
Thank you, Team A. Now we'll go to Team B. Team B, are we ready?
Can you hear us, ma'am?
Yes, we can. Let's go for your question number 1. Tipping of scapula occurs around which axis? And your time starts now.
Sagittal axis.
I am sorry, that's the wrong answer. The correct answer is coronal axis. No worries, we have still 1 more question to go. Are you ready for the second question?
Yes, ma'am.
In women, the carrying angle is about how many degrees? Your time starts now.
15 to 20 degrees.
That's the right answer. Congratulations. Team C, are we ready?
Ma'am, are we audible?
Yes, Team C, you're audible. Let's go for your question number 1. Newton's first law is applicable to which phase of gait cycle? Your time starts now.
And the stance phase?
I am sorry, that's the wrong answer. The right answer is the initial phase of the swing. No worries, we have still one more question to go. Are we ready for the second question?
Yes, ma'am.
The second question is, how many bones make up the hand complex? Your time starts now.
Ma'am, 30 bones.
I am sorry, Team C, that's the wrong answer. The right answer is 27 bones, the carpals and all the fingers above. Team D, are we ready?
Yes, ma'am. Are we audible?
Yes, you are audible. Let's go for your question number 1. Which muscles are the force couple for scapular upward rotation? Your time starts now.
Trapezius and serratus in medial. Bold.
Very good, that's the right answer. Now let's go for our question number 2. Sterno-clavicular joint allows how many degrees of freedom?
2. 3 degrees. Ma'am, 3 degrees.
Very good, congratulations, you have scored the mark. The scores for our round 1 are: Team A is at 1 point, Team B is at also 1, Team C we are at 0, Team D is 2. Congratulations, Team D. Let's go to our second round, that is the mathematician. Are we ready? The rules are, each team will receive 1 question. You have 30 seconds. I repeat, you have 30 seconds to answer. Only one team will answer at one time and others will be on mute. Correct response gives you 1 point. Incorrect response or time up will give you 0. The questions will not be passed. Are we ready? Team A.
Yes. Can you hear us?
Yes, we can. Calculate the total resistance between point A and point B. Your time starts now.
Are you sure? 2, 3 and 4.
सीरीज में ना
दो
10 ohms कितना है 4 5 6 7 8 9 ohms
9.
That's the right answer. Congratulations.
कविता
Team B, are we ready?
Yes, ma'am. Can you hear us?
Yes, we can. Let's go for the question. Patient shows spontaneous eye opening, makes incomprehensible sounds, and obeys motor commands. What is the GCS score? Your time starts now.
Sounds, incomprehensible sounds 2 में बनाता है. Obeys motor command है तो 5, 2, 2, 3 to 5, 10. 10 होगा 10. Incomprehensible sounds पे कितना है? 2 होता है.
Time is ticking.
10.
I am sorry, Team B. The answer is 12. That is 4 plus 2 plus 6 equals to 12. No worries. We have still two more rounds to go. Team C, are we ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Good. Let's go for your question. An adult male has burns over the anterior chest, anterior abdomen, and anterior surface of right upper limb. What is the total percentage of surface area burnt? Your time starts now.
36.
I'm sorry, can you please repeat that?
36.
I am sorry, Team C. The answer is 22.5. That is 9 for anterior chest, 9 for anterior abdomen, and 4.5 for the anterior right upper limb, which comes up to 22.5%. No worries, still 2 more rounds to go. Team D, are we ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Let's go for your question. Patient is a weak post-myocardial infarction. His resting HR is 72 beats per minute. During phase 1 of cardiac rehab, you can allow the heart rate to increase up to what? Your time starts now.
Ma'am, 80 to 85.
I'm sorry, Team D, that's the wrong answer. The right answer is 92 beats per minute. That is, you can allow 20 beats more or increase by 20 minutes. Congratulations. Let's see what are the rounds. The score is of total 2. Team A has scored 1 point, whereas Team B, C, and D are at 0. Let's see what happens in round number 3. That is our favorite, the AV round. The rules are, each team receives a question in a form of an image. You have 15 seconds to answer. Only one team will answer at one time, others will be on mute. Correct response equals to 1 mark, incorrect or time's up will be 0, and it will not be passed to next team. Team A, are we ready?
Yes.
Let's go. Identify the device seen in the picture. Your time starts now.
वो कौन सा होता है? अर्गोमीटर ही होता है और साइकिलिंग में होता है अर्गोमीटर.
I am sorry, Team A, that's not the right answer. The right answer is isokinetic device. Team B, are we ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Let's go for your question. Identify the device seen in the picture. Your time starts now.
Barometer.
I'm sorry, can you please repeat that?
Barometer.
I am sorry, Team B, that's the wrong answer. The right answer is pressure algometer. Team C, are we ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Team C, are we ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Let's go for the question. Identify the technique seen in the picture. Your time starts now. Time is ticking. I am sorry, Team C, your time's up. The right answer is combination therapy. Team D, are we ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Let's go for the question. Identify the device seen in the picture. Your time starts now.
Ma'am, it's the hydrotherapy tank.
Can device, please read the question. It states about the device. Sorry, Team D, your time's up. The correct answer is Hubbard tank for whirlpool therapy. Let's see what are the scores at the end of round 3. Sadly, all the teams are at 0. Let's hope the next round is better than this one. Are we ready for round number 4? It is find the researcher in you. This round will be divided into 2 parts. The first part will be a single question where you have to answer whether the statement is a true statement or a false statement. And the second one will be challenge round. The second round will be explained later on. Let's see the first one first. So true or false, each team receives 1 question. You have 15 seconds to answer. Only one team will answer at a time. Others will be on mute. Correct response gives you 1 mark. Incorrect or time up will give you 0. The questions will not be passed. Team A, are we ready?
Yes.
Let's see what your question is. Random sampling is helpful as it reasonably accurate, free from personal bias, and an economical method of data collection. True or false?
True.
Very good. That's the right answer. You score 1 point. Team B, are we ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Your statement is, if the value of one variable decreases, then the value of the other variable also decreases on an average. then the correlation is termed as negative correlation. True or false?
False.
That's the right answer. Congratulations. You have scored 1 point. Team C, are we ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Let's see your statement. Quota sampling is a type of non-probability sampling. True or false?
False.
I'm sorry, Team C. That's the wrong answer. It is a true statement. Team D, are we ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Your statement is observations, interviews, and questionnaires are ways to collect primary data. True or false?
Ma'am, it's false. It's secondary
I'm
data.
sorry, Team D. That's the wrong answer. It is a true statement. No worries. So what can I say then? Okay. Before we go to the second round, that is our challenge round, which is with a little twist. Let's see the total score, like the scoring of round 1, 2, 3, and for the part 1. What is the total scores of each team? So you can decide. So team A is at 3 points. Team B is at 2 points. Team C is at 0. And team D is at 2. So now that you have the scores of each team, let's see how this round goes. So in the challenge round, you will receive each team will receive 2 questions. You have 15 seconds to answer. Only one team will answer at a time and the others will be on mute. Now here comes the tricky part of scoring. So please pay some attention. Suppose, for example, team X answers the question asked to them. They receive 1 point. If they don't answer, 0 point, as it has been throughout the quiz. But the twist is, if team X challenges team Y and team Y answers correctly, so team Y will receive 2 points, whereas team X will get -1. And if team Y, after accepting the challenge, if they give the wrong answer, they will receive 0 points, but team X, who has challenged team Y, will receive 0.1. Are we clear with the scoring? Any doubts? Should I repeat it once again? Let's repeat it once again. So if team X answers the question, they receive 1. If it is wrong, 0. If they decide to challenge team Y, then if team Y answers correctly, team Y receives 2 points, whereas team X gets -1. Team Y gives the answer wrong, 0 points, but team X will receive +1. And you have to decide whether you're going to challenge some team or not before the question is revealed. I hope we are clear that you have to challenge whichever team you want to challenge before the question is revealed. Are we clear? Hopefully, yes. Team A, are we ready?
Yes.
You want to answer or you want to challenge?
We'll answer this one, the first
Okay.
one.
So let's see what your question is. While doing research, which is the hypothesis that we test? Your time starts now.
No, we tested.
Null hypothesis.
Very good, team A. You receive 1 point. Congratulations. Let's see your question number 2. Question number 2, you will challenge or you want to answer?
We'll answer.
You will answer. Okay. Correlation coefficient tends to lie between dash to dash. Your time starts now.
0 to 1.
The-
0 to 1.
I am sorry, team A, that's the wrong answer. The correct answer is the correlation coefficient tends to lie between -1 to +1. No issues, you have scored 1 point. Team B, are we ready?
Yes, ma'am.
You want to challenge or you want to answer?
We like to answer.
You would like to answer. Okay. Number of new cases of a disease per 1,000 individuals is called dash. Your time starts now.
Morbidity rate.
I am sorry, Team B, that's the wrong answer. The correct answer is incidence percentage. Team B, second question. Would you like to challenge or answer?
Answer.
Okay. As the sample size increases, sampling error dash. Your time starts now.
Decreases.
That's the correct answer, Team B. Congratulations, you have scored 1 point. Team C, are we going to dare to challenge or are we going to answer?
Ma'am, we will answer.
You will answer. Okay, let's see your question number 1. Within group comparison of non-parametric data is done using dash statistical test. Your time starts now. Time is ticking. And your time is over. Sorry, Team C. The correct answer is Wilcoxon signed rank test. Team C, second question, challenge or answer?
Answer, ma'am.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 are the numbers given. You have to calculate the median. Your time starts now. Time is ticking. I'm sorry, Team C, your time's up. The answer is 4.5. That is, we add 4 and 5, divided it by 2, which comes up to 4.5. That is the median. Team D, are we ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Would you like to challenge?
No, ma'am, I would like to answer.
Okay, your question is, area between one standard deviation on either side of the mean is normal distribution curve is dash percentage. Your time starts now.
Ma'am, 2.5.
I am sorry, Team D, it is 68%. Team D, would you like to answer or dare to challenge? The next question.
Let's answer. Ma'am, we will answer.
Okay. Based on exam scores, students receive ranks. This is an example of which scale data? Your time starts now. Come on, Team D, time is ticking. I'm sorry.
Numerical. Ma'am, numerical.
I am sorry, Team D, that's the wrong answer. The right answer is ordinal. Okay, let's see what are the scores at the end of round 4. What do you think? Who is leading? Let's see. Give us a few moments. So we have the scores. Team A is at 2 points. Team B is again at 2 points. Team C, I'm sorry, you're at 0 points. And Team D, again, sorry, 0 points. So now let's see what are our final scores and who are going to participate in our finals. Okay, so Team A, congratulations, you are at 4 points. Team B, congratulations, you're at 3 points. Team C, sadly, we are at 0 points. Team D, congratulations, we are at 2 points. So at the end of our semifinals, we have 3 teams going ahead, that are Team A, Team B, and Team D. That are Team A is D.Y. Patil College of Physiotherapy, Pimpri. Team B is Banarsidas Chandiwala Institute of Physiotherapy, New Delhi. And Team D, that is CMC, Ludhiana. Congratulations, 3 of you. Team C, it was great playing with you. Hope to see you in the next season also. And with a heavy heart, we say goodbye to you all. That is for today's episode of PhysioTV Quiz. We have the grand finale on the 7th of September. Hope to see you all again there. Till then, stay healthy and be happy.